Hey, welcome back. Today is March 17th, Wednesday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets before diving into Tezos, XTZ, USD, and see what exactly is going on in here. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me what the money keep trading into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Today, we do have Bitcoin dominance. Almost no change today. Down, almost no change. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action and Bitcoin and total altcoin market cap up about the same amount today. Okay. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance trending downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because on the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, I will usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin. Conversely speaking, on the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards, I will usually see Bitcoin leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. Now, on the 3-day time frame here for Bitcoin dominance is still my focus. Some lag here, so. Alright, so on the 3-day time frame here is still my focus because as I've been saying, there is still a bullish pattern here, a double bottom pattern. One bottom, second bottoms, also with bullish divergence. We're getting expected resistance from this 3-day 21 MA, the blue line right here. Let's see how long this resistance can keep the price action down for. If price action here continues pulling back, I could expect better price action for the altcoins briefly. Let's go over to Bitcoin. As I've been saying, bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame here looks like it has played out. At least one red candle here. Let's see if this price action would actually continue downwards. Now, there's still possible bearish divergence that could be playing out on the weekly time frame. Okay. Let's see how this weekly candle actually closes. On the monthly time frame here, we have been having bearish divergence for quite some time. However, has yet to actually yield a red candle. So not something I'll lose track of, because if Bitcoin pulls back at any time or continues pulling back, it could still have an effect on the overall altcoin markets. The multiplier of that effect would usually depend on how far up or down Bitcoin dominance is trending. Let's go over to Tezos and see what exactly has gone on in here. I'm going to go from the monthly time frame RSIs down to the daily, which I consider to be macro time frames, and see if we have any overbought readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios. Monthly time frame here, I'm not concerned with this because we are not in overbought territory and I don't see possible bearish divergence here. Weekly time frame here, we are at an RSI reading of about 62. Possible bearish divergence scenario if the price action was to make a higher high here on the weekly time frame, it does need to beat the last RSI reading of over 76 to negate bearish divergence. 3-day time frame here, we are not in overbought territory. We're at RSI reading of about 62 as well. Very similar thing could be said about making a higher high here on this time frame and beating this last RSI reading to negate bearish divergence. Daily time frame, we're at 57, and very similar thing could be said about bearish divergence if the price action was to make a higher high here on the daily time frame. See what exactly we could be dealing with here. I do see a symmetrical triangle pattern that's playing out. Let me straighten up some of these lines. Now, symmetrical triangle patterns, according to Thomas Bukowski and his website, thepatternSite.com, it is a 60% chance of it breaking to the upside. If the price action actually breaks to the upside, I do have a measured target here of about, let's say, $5.90 just to be even. $2.80 just to be even. So that's a difference about $3.10. Adding it back on top of, let's say, $4 to be even at this absolute apex of this symmetrical triangle pattern here, which would be about $7.10 approximately measured target. Now, measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Actually, it does look like the price action has tried to break out of this pattern already earlier today. Let's see if this would actually be the breakout. Let's take a look into the immediate resistances and supports, immediate key resistances and supports relevant to this price action right now. $4.60 fib level area would be the next key resistance, followed by about the $5, which we have seen quite a bit of candle wicks here that were rejected previously. $5.50 area, also a few candle wicks here that were rejections previously, followed by one more wick right here, about $5.90. Those are the key resistances. Key supports, daily 50 and 21 MA are both within the pattern. The 3-day 21 MA is also parallel with this bottom trend line. The weekly 21 MA is very far behind, so I would not even count on that as support for now. If those major moving averages do not hold, the next level of key support I'll be looking at will be this fib level area, which is not too far down, about $3.60, and then $3.20 fib level area. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action breaks above this pattern and go towards its measured targets, minding the resistance levels I have just pointed out right now. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks this bottom trend line. It looks like that would also break some of these major moving averages I have just pointed out up to the 3-day. And then the next level of key support I'll be looking at would be about the $3.60 and seeing if that holds. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I love to hear them. Hope you match your risk carefully. And if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.